It's
Is this normal?
It's normal.
Okay.
Normal.
Just out. Wait, is he coming over here? Just out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. If you scratch your head, he knows.
He's tuning the honey bear. That's what to do.
Yeah.
Alright. Good news and bad news. It's not cross-threaded. A piece of the porcelain is falling into the engine. It's going up into the chamber. If I stuck a camera in there trying to figure it out.
Shit.
So.
Fired up! I can't see a goddamn thing. Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy 392 Brown Bear. Back at it again with another video. Today's video we are taking the ZL1 to Vengeance to get it tuned. Got our guys GMG Motorsports here to help us get it over there. Thank you, George, for that.
You're welcome.
Hey, y'all can't see him, but he's down there. There you go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there you go. Said he was feeling a little bit under the weather, so thank you for coming out. You know, but we got the Incredible Joe right here.
Whoa.
Yep. Not sure. I don't know his name.
What's Zach?
Zach? Nice to meet you, bro.
He's lead tech for Federico, the Ferrari team.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's
He
what's up, bro.
basically runs the mechanical part of his program.
Nice.
So,
All
I
right.
got good help with that right now.
That's what's up. That's what's up. But yeah, so Joe, what you want to tell him, man?
Subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all call GMG Automotive. You know what I'm saying? Follow them on Instagram. Follow both of us on Instagram, because for the amount of subscribers we have, our Instagram account all over the place.
Yeah, it's kind of hefty. So.
I got Instagram followers.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody need to start making posts of y'all.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah.
You know, we put you on the map, so help put us on the map. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Hey, y'all heard of GMG Automotive say he's gonna help us out. Taking these bad boys off. These are for sale. Y'all let us know if you want them.
No, they're not.
And these are the new ones going on there.
So yeah, these are free. You can just have them. And don't worry, we'll deliver them too.
It's a nice wheel though. Like,
It is.
Heavy wheel.
yeah, it is heavy, man.
You know what? Look, honestly, this looks almost like a BMW style wheel. I'd see something like this on like an X5 or something.
All right, y'all. So we got the car loaded up on the trailer, as you can see. Get ready to head on out to Vengeance Motorsports. My man, the Incredible Joe, that man excited. He's trying to keep his composure right now. I can see it in him though. He's trying to play it cool. You know what I'm saying? So y'all want to? Let me show y'all the wheels on the car right quick. Hold on. Yeah?
How do they look?
Like shit?
Hey, those are the best looking Chinese wheels I've ever seen.
Yeah. That weigh 23 pounds?
Great press on these. I'm not gonna say how
I
much
feel like
they
you
hurt.
should have went with a little bit bigger sidewall, but it'd be all right. It's gonna be
Next set you can go
yeah,
bigger.
next set.
35, Joe.
Well, these are the only ones I could. They didn't. I don't think they made.
I'm talking to my people. I wasn't saying nothing.
305, 45, 18. I don't think.
Sure?
I couldn't find any.
Sure? Pretty sure I ran that wrong.
We are running behind schedule, so we're gonna get this loaded down and we're gonna haul. We got to haul. Not gonna curse on my channel, but yeah, we're gonna haul butt getting down there.
Stay on that other board, Jack. All right, come back.
Come on,
Keep it straight.
keep it straight.
Don't turn. Hold on.
from me. God. What?
What? I want to watch. You got a car right there.
So we just sitting around waiting. My man's appointment was for 1:30. Car's not on the dyno yet. We just got back from having a little bit of lunch at CC's Pizza. Well worth it. I ain't been there so long, but they could have had a lot of fresher pizza. That pizza they had on the display was not the move. But yeah, man, we got about an hour or so to go. So, got the car on the dyno, ran into a little hiccup. The heat exchanger needs to be bled. It's overheating right now on the dyno, so taking a little break, they're letting it cool down and whatnot. See them boys pulling in that big body. Look at that. So we found out that the flex fuel kit is active, but we can't use it because of the fuel system that he has set up on the ZL1. He didn't upgrade the fuel system like he should have, so which caused him not to be able to run the E85. So being that he can't run the E85, he's not gonna make the numbers that we thought we would make, but it's still gonna make power, you know what I'm saying? What you say, John? It's still gonna make decent power. Yeah, so my man's kind of upset right now, but he working through it, you know what I'm saying? Here he come right now. Everybody, when y'all see this in the comments, y'all go ahead and say, cheer up, Joe. Hashtag cheer up, Joe. Yeah, so, hey, Joe. You want to tell them about the fuel system? What you got to do?
You know, Biggie, for those of you who are wanting the ZL1, you kind of need to know anyway. The only, right here, you good? So the only problem we have with the ZL1s is our fuel system. You know what I'm saying? So the car, the way it's set up, like the low side fuel system, the low side fuel pump sucks. The high side is pretty good, you know what I'm saying? And the injectors, you need to go about 30 over stock to run full E85. You know what I'm saying? That's what we were told by Vengeance. So I'm around that, and I kind of had my mind set on it, but that's probably 30, 40 horsepower I just, you know what I'm saying, didn't gain right there. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Keep it moving, keep it positive. But that's pretty much the only problem we ran into was the fuel system. And I knew that was a problem coming into the build on the car. So it just sucks that I couldn't get it done before today. But this won't be the last day I get it tuned. I mean, there's other stuff coming for the car. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna get back to BrownBear because this is his channel, you know what I'm saying? Get his camera. I broke it down to him. All right. So for all you future ZL1 owners, that's, you know what I'm saying, you gotta spend a whole lot of these on your fuel system.
All right, y'all. So next time y'all see this, we'll be back on the dyno. Like I said, we're letting it cool down right now. The heat exchangers were they need to bleed it, right? Yeah. So I told y'all already. So yeah, we'll be back. The car is having a misfire on cylinder 7, which is a major problem when it comes to having to get the car tuned or whatnot. So, and trying to make power. So, all right, now you good? You good? You good? All right, so.
For 100 bucks, I put them in the back. I just want to do all of them. Like, do it like stone cold. Like that.
Hey, man. Let me tell. I'm gonna go over here. Let me tell y'all something, man. He needs a plug now. That was after I showed y'all the wire was bad. Now he needs a plug. All right. What's next? Mopar or no car? I would never buy a Chevy or a Camaro SS. Don't get me wrong. They're great cars, but they just not for BrownBear. Hey, what I told you? Mopar save some money. Be heavy and save y'all money, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm driving him insane right now. I am driving him absolutely insane. Let's go over here to him, man. Hey, come here. Mopar or no? Say it. Say you miss your scat, bro. Joe, say you miss your scat, bro.
I mean, I miss my scat, but I'm not gonna say.
Talk to the camera. Don't look away from my camera when you talk to it. Say you miss your scat. Say you miss saving money. What's next, y'all? First it was cylinder 7. Now it's misfiring on 2. It's my bro, man. You know, I just got. I'm here for you. I know how you feel. You know what I'm saying?
Up in the morning, your teeth be missing.
Listen, I know how you feel, Joe. Hey, this man, when I saw the tuner shake his head, I said, oh, shoot. And he got out the car smiling. I said, golly.
All I do is put my head down, y'all. This shit here, my battery finna die.
But it is.
Goddamn, in a minute, hell, keep running the goddamn battery like that. I'm trying to get some daytime pools and let you ride with John. And, I mean,
we can always do it another day. So, all right, here comes the tuning. Oh. That's that smile I was telling y'all about.
Yeah, no worries. We're going. They're gonna fix it real quick, and they're gonna come over and change it out.
I appreciate it.
All right, no worries. It's normal. It's normal. Normal.
Hey, tell them Mopar all day. Yeah, Mopar. You saw that?
If you gotta get your kids to school, Mopar's the way to go.
Disrespectful. But no, listen.
So do you think, what do you think caused it?
Like you said, that plug wasn't
that
on
was off.
Yeah.
Which in turn crashed the plug. There's no saving the plug now that we got fire. So
That's crazy. But
in theory, you can drive for like an hour. Yeah, after you. I'm gonna go walk over there. Let's talk to you. Yeah. Okay.
just out. Is he coming over here? Just out. Yeah. If you scratch your head, he knows.
He's chewing honey bear. Something to do.
Yeah.
Alright. Good news and bad news. It's not cross-threaded. A piece of the porcelain falling into the engine. It's gone up into the chamber and I stuck a camera in there trying to figure it out.
Shit.
So the head, the top of the piston is just gouged. Things that can be Russian. At the end of the day, the motors, you can't take those heads off in the car. They have to pull the engine out.
Damn!
Alright, man, I'm just for you.
All right, come on back.
The plug.
Yes!
Plug is in. We'll be going in about 5 minutes.
I needed that footage. God, I needed that footage, boy. Oh, I needed that footage, boy.
Nothing to play with. There's nothing to play with.
Hey. He got him good.
He smiles.
I like it. Yeah, he always smiling. Hey, what I said when he come over here, when you smile and you do like this. Like,
That's Tony and Honey Bear.
yes. Oh man, we got the IncredibleJoe good, y'all. So we ran into a problem where the spark plug was cross-threaded. All right. So they had to pull out a camera to see what's going on down there in the cylinder. So if it had to be fixed, they would have to pull the cylinder head off. Come on, Joe. They would have had to pull the cylinder head off. All right. So we had to prank Joe just now. You know what I'm saying? So
That wasn't funny, y'all. I was gonna be in trouble today.
Huh?
I'd have been in trouble.
Yo, we got him good, man. We got. Hey, y'all, hang tight, man. Hopefully this is it, man. No more. Boy. Hey, hold on, Joe. What you said?
I gotta go to jail tonight.
You just gonna go to jail tonight?
I'm to my all the way.